Electric cars are on the rise. Along with their growing number, there is an ever-expanding secondary market on which used vehicles are traded. The battery is the heart of the electric car and its single most expensive component. However, the traction battery has so far remained the main uncertainty in the valuation of second-hand vehicles. Currently, the worst possible condition of a battery is assumed. As a result, estimated residual values do not accurately reflect the actual value of the vehicle. Battery Quick Check brings transparency to the valuation process by assessing the actual health of a traction battery. Battery Quick Check is an independent and TÜV-certified report on the health of the battery. Qualified workshop personnel or TÜV Rheinland experts connect a diagnostic device to the vehicle's battery management system through the OBD2 interface. The electric vehicle is then connected to the charging infrastructure. All relevant data is automatically read out via the interface in about 1 hour. The battery data is continuously sent to the Battery Quick Check cloud. Intelligent algorithms compare the behavior of the battery with stored models and evaluate the parameters recorded. The result is an independent and precise status report on the traction battery, the Battery Quick Check report. This report is essential, in particular for leasing returns, fleet management, and when buying and selling used electric vehicles. It is the only way to accurately determine the vehicle's residual value. Battery Quick Check.